Drop beer jam. The theme I picked for this jam is Alien Invasion. For this jam, I'm making an FPS movement like game, and it will be my first time working with the new input system. Alright, so for the game, I have made the first person control. So the player is literally just being and when I play, I can look around and move around. Then when I press space, jump, you can turn around while jumping really quickly. The sensitivity is too high. I'm gonna lower that. Okay, but yeah. Okay, so I've made this simple level in Blender. So there's a pretty neat trick to it. All you have to do is add a plane, go to edit mode, subdivide it up to 10 divisions, okay? And then you need to select the boxes that you want to extrude up for the wall, okay? And then you can assign, different color to it, okay? So anyways, regardless of that, I've imported it into Unity, and I have even made a enemy, okay? This is the enemy, this capsule right here, and have sensor with box collider, okay? So now when I hit play, I have something like this. The alien or the enemy will move around, and when you get caught, it will show you the caught you message, okay? And you need to, basically sneak past, okay? That's basically about it, okay? Don't worry, the sensor transparent thing will be visible in the game view, so you will know how to avoid it, okay? You just have to, set the timing correct, and you will be able to, get past it. And that's basically the main objective of the game, is to get past aliens. And now I'm gonna be making the alien mesh as well as the animation. Okay, so here's the alien mesh I made in Blender, and then I just used XML to animate it for the rock cycle. Okay, so now if I go to Unity, I have already imported the mesh here. So I also changed the skybox to night sky, and now if I hit play, you see that the alien is moving around. Okay. Yeah, we can actually jump over these, and I need to create walls for it. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do that, as well as add more alien enemies by adding prefabs. Okay, so I'll do that. Okay, so I went ahead and edited the level. Okay, just added more height to it as well as text, but it would seem the text wasn't actually working, so I used a free 3D text generator, which can give me a 3D object of any text I want. And now I have this level set up. Okay. Oh yeah, and also I have a follow script. If you might be thinking how the alien objects are actually moving in and about, is through using a points array. And with that, I am doing the quarantine to make it flip when it reaches the next index, which is 1, and when it goes back to the first index, which is 0, it flips again. Okay, so that's basically what's going on, and I'm using a vector3.moveTowards function to move the object position towards the points position. Okay, and we are doing it with the speed. Okay, so yeah, that's basically about it. And since the colliders and the shape are the same, I simply duplicated this collider right here and then moved it up. Okay, that's literally all I did. For I don't want to manually add them, because they use the same shape. Okay, just the height difference there. And also I have decided not to add a wall on the roof, because I want it to show the sky one. Okay, so yeah, we have this 3D object right here. Okay, if you export it as that, you get this. Okay, and now let's go ahead and play the game so far. Okay, so let me drag the player right over here. Okay, so when you play the game, it's gonna show the start. Okay, you need to avoid the aliens. So what you'll do is basically go over here and let the alien pass by you first. Okay, okay. Now let's move on here. Okay, he's coming. Oh, oh. Okay, I barely slipped by. Okay, next. Go over here. Then try to reach it. Okay, you can actually see through the wall here because the colliders aren't perfect. Okay, the box colliders. But yeah, you'll eventually reach a stop point. Okay, and that's basically about it. I'm gonna add a collider function so that when you reach the stop or a trigger function basically to show the canvas that you have actually escaped the alien. Okay, so this game is pretty simple, and I'm gonna go ahead and design the canvas as well as the main menu for the game because I have not made the main menu for the game yet. Okay, so let's do that.
Okay, so I have made a main menu for the game. So here over in the canvas I have the flawless victory as well as the dead animation, which I'll show right now. I've also added music to the game as well. So I'll load the game. Here it is, and when I lose, you get caught by the alien first. Boom, you're dead. And here's the main menu. So I made the main menu in the sprite as well. Okay, and then I use Pascal's soil. I don't know how to pronounce the second word, but yeah, that's the music. Okay, so that's basically it, and that's it for my game jam submission, and I hope you enjoy it.